In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com and choose between these two options. You can either click on this Get Started in order to get started for an account, or click on this Login option if you want to log into one. So in my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and just log in. Now here is my actual dashboard, or here is my Elementor editor. In order to create a gradient text, you just need to head over and add in here a particular text or heading element. Now let's head over and add in here a heading. And let's input right here our title. So for example, let's put in here sunrise and sunset. Now head over right here to our style. And in here we have text stroke, shadows, blend modes. And we also have in here the text color. So in here, we can click onto the color and we can change it right there. You can also click onto this new option, or you can also add color sampler, dynamic tags, and clear it. If we click onto this custom option, we can choose in here our secondary options as well, and click onto this gear icon in order to manage those colors. Now the crucial thing about this is we need to set it transparent. So head over and then set this color to transparent option. This allows the background to actually show through in this case. So for example, just change it to transparent, just choose any color, and then change the transparency to 0. Once you're done, head over to Advanced tab, and then from in there, scroll down, and into this case, just choose for the Custom CSS option. We have in here our Custom CSS, you need to upgrade in order to get that. Now I have in here this code. We have in here this code, just copy it, and as you can see, we have color 1, 2, and 3, just change that into the hex code that you have. Currently, I have in here this, so let me head over and then get this, copy it, and then add it right here into our Elementor in order to actually have a gradient for this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.